The ExactaBlend AGP platform is designed for the insulated glass and structural glazing industries. Insulated glass is needed to maximize energy efficiency and thermal performance of buildings. Structural glazing makes sure that the windows are adhered securely to the building with a focus on maximum longevity. The AGP platform proportions two component materials on ratio with accuracy. This gives you the confidence that you're producing quality products. Normal startup. Dispense a few seconds. System gives the green light. Start quality production. So let's talk about the brains and what goes on behind the scenes. The critical components of the AGP system are feed pumps, regulators, flow meters, V2P valve, FCM. Let me show how these components work together. Let's compare this system to a dam on a river. The incoming level is much higher than the outgoing level. The feed pump represents the incoming flow. It's always set higher than what's needed. This ensures that the outgoing flow demand is always much less than the incoming feed or flow, virtually eliminating pump changeover pressure / flow differences on the outbound side. This helps ensure a very accurate ratio control. That's why we can set it and forget it. This is true for both the base and catalyst feed. Now, let's focus on the base side. We set the base fluid regulator very similar to how the dam sets the outbound flow rate using the ball float controls. Normally, this adjustment is set once and only readjusted when a different flow rate is needed. We use a flow meter to measure flow rate of the base material. The flow meter sends information back to the system indicating how much base material is being dispensed. Now to the catalyst side. The catalyst is controlled by a fluid regulator that is controlled by a special device called a voltage to pressure device, or V2P for short. The V2P is controlled by the fluid control module, or FCM. The FCM acts like the system's brain. The catalyst side also has a flow meter. The flow meter sends information on how much catalyst material is flowing to the FCM. Now, let's tie it all together. The base material flow rate is manually set by the operator by a fluid regulator. The base flow meter tells the FCM how much is flowing. The FCM knows the requested ratio. The system then adjusts the catalyst flow rate by adjusting the V2P signal. This will open or close the regulator to get more or less material to get the right ratio. The catalyst flow meter sends information back to the FCM, which confirms the ratio is correct. The system checks and fine-tunes the ratio many times per second. ExactaBlend AGP. Superior mixing and ratio assurance for the glass industry.